So this is going to be the last video on our PC build. This thing runs like a champ. As you guys remember from last time, we were installing a bunch of hardware. Now, it turns out, and here is our finished product. Going to take one last look at the inside. Memory, cooling tower, video card, fans. And we've also got this gigantic fan on top hooked up. So that thing is, so this case should never have a heating issue. It's got two fans in front, a fan on the top, a fan in the back, exhausting the heat. And then we've also got that CPU tower. So there shouldn't be a problem here. These two bays on the front, I went ahead and put hard drives in there. There's a 1 terabyte hard drive in each of these. There's also the 1 terabyte SATA that's mounted on the motherboard, and then the 1 terabyte M2 NVMe drive, PCIe 4. That thing is super, super fast. So it's a good thing we did a good job on this computer, because it turns out this is going to be for a customer. I ran into a business contact, and he said he needed a machine. I told him I had just built one, and I told him about the specs on it and everything, and he said it was perfect. So he's gonna take this thing off our hands, and we're gonna wind up making almost $200 on this build. So by the time all's said and done, we'll, not only did we have fun, but we also going to make a little bit of profit here. So win-win. So since this is for a customer, we're going to bolt down the sides. We're going to clean this thing up. Make sure that all these slots that aren't being used across the back, everything's covered. Everything looks nice and neat. And I've got a brand new DisplayPort cable for this thing, and he's already got a monitor, so he doesn't need us to supply a monitor. The only thing for this build, the only thing we have to supply is the box, keyboard, and mouse, and we've got that, and so we're good to go. All right, so this is the end of the PC build. This thing's going to be going out of the office today, and so we won't see it again. All right, but thanks a lot for hanging out with me while I built this thing. I had a lot of fun, and I hope you did too. All right, take care.